Selenite. Selenite, satin spar, desert rose, and gypsum flower are all crystal habit varieties of the mineral gypsum, a mineral that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Gypsum is one of the most common sulfate minerals found on Earth, and its presence has been recorded in sedimentary environments, evaporite deposits, and even volcanic regions. Each of these forms, including selenite and alabaster, is composed of calcium sulfate dihydrate, meaning the mineral contains 2 molecules of water for every molecule of calcium sulfate. Its chemical formula is CaSO₄ This water content is crucial, as it gives gypsum its characteristic softness and flexibility. Despite its name, selenite does not contain significant selenium. The name is derived from the Greek word selene, meaning moon, a reference to the mineral's luminous, moon-like appearance. Selenite's ethereal glow has inspired myths and legends throughout history, and it has often been associated with lunar deities and the cycles of the moon. Some of the largest crystals ever discovered are selenite. The most famous example is found in the Cave of the Crystals, located in the Nika mine in Chihuahua, Mexico. Here, selenite crystals reach astonishing sizes. One specimen measures 12 meters in length and weighs an estimated 55 tons. These extraordinary formations developed over hundreds of thousands of years in a unique environment of high temperature and mineral-rich water. History and etymology. The term selenite is often used interchangeably with gypsum, but since the 15th century, it has referred specifically to the transparent, crystalline variety. The word selenite comes from Middle English, through Latin selenites, and ultimately from the Greek selenites lithos, meaning moonstone. This name was chosen because ancient observers believed the mineral's appearance changed with the phases of the moon, reflecting its mystical connection to lunar cycles. Gypsum itself has a long history of use. In ancient Egypt, it was used as a building material and for making plaster, known as plaster of Paris. alabaster, a fine-grained variety of gypsum, was carved into statues, vessels, and decorative objects by cultures across the Mediterranean and Near East. Selenite sheets were sometimes used as window panes in ancient Rome, prized for their translucency. Distinguishing characteristics. Crystalline gypsum is renowned for its softness, with a hardness of 2 on the Mohs scale. It is so soft that it can be scratched with a fingernail. Gypsum crystals exhibit 3 unequal cleavages, which means they break along 3 distinct planes. This property, along with its pearly luster and transparency, makes selenite especially attractive to collectors and practitioners of crystal work. Other notable features include its crystal habits, ranging from tabular and prismatic to fibrous and rosette-shaped, its easy fusibility with loss of water, and its solubility in hot, dilute hydrochloric acid. When heated, gypsum loses its water content and transforms into anhydrite, a related mineral. Varieties and their unique qualities. Although these forms are sometimes grouped together as selenite, each crystalline variety of gypsum has unique characteristics and visual appeal. Here are some general descriptions. Selenite is most often transparent and colorless, with a glassy or pearly sheen. If it appears opaque or colored, this is usually due to the presence of other minerals, sometimes forming druse, a coating of tiny crystals on the surface. Satin spar is typically silky and fibrous, and it can display a chatoyant, or cat's eye, effect. Satin spar may show subtle coloration, often white or pale orange. The name satin spar is also used for fibrous calcite, but calcite can be distinguished from gypsum by its greater hardness, rhombohedral cleavage, and its vigorous reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. Desert rose refers to rosette-shaped gypsum crystals with an outer layer of sand or sand inclusions, usually in the colors of the surrounding desert. These formations are found in arid regions around the world, including the Sahara and the American Southwest. The term can also apply to barite desert roses, which are harder and denser than their gypsum counterparts. Gypsum flowers are curved, fibrous rosettes of gypsum crystals that form in solution caves. Their delicate, petal-like structures are created by the slow precipitation of minerals from water, resulting in intricate and beautiful natural sculptures. Scientific and cultural significance. Gypsum and its varieties have played important roles in both science and culture. In geology, gypsum deposits are indicators of ancient evaporative environments, helping scientists reconstruct past climates. In industry, gypsum is essential for making plaster, drywall, and cement. Selenite and satin spar are popular in metaphysical practices, where they are believed to promote clarity, peace, and spiritual growth. In folklore and spiritual traditions, selenite is often regarded as a stone of purity and protection. It is said to cleanse negative energy, enhance meditation, and connect practitioners to higher realms. Its luminous quality has made it a symbol of light and transformation in many cultures, whether admired for their beauty, studied for their scientific value, or used in spiritual practice. Selenite and its gypsum relatives continue to inspire wonder and curiosity across the world.